Because many organs within the ventral body cavity move, there are membranes that help keep friction from occurring when these organs move inside our body. There's a special membrane that is actually attached to the surface of the organ, which will fold back on itself, similar to the way my fingers fold back. And between those membranes, just like there's a space between my fingers, there is a special fluid called serous fluid. It's a thin, slippery fluid that helps prevent friction. The serous membranes are named according to their location on the organ or lining the wall of the cavity in which the organ resides. The word viscera means organ. The visceral portion of the membrane is that which lies on the surface of the organ. That means that the membrane on the surface of the lungs would be called visceral pleura. The portion of the membrane that folds back to line the wall of the cavity, where these fingers would be, is the parietal layer. So these fingers would represent the parietal pleura. Where the heart would be located, the membrane lining the wall of the cavity would be the parietal pericardium. On the surface of the heart, if there were a heart in here, that membrane would be called the visceral pericardium. Lining organs within the abdominal pelvic cavity, on the surface of the organ, say the intestines, would be the visceral peritoneum. And then the membrane that folds back to line the wall of the cavity would be the parietal peritoneum. Some organs within the abdominopelvic cavity are located very, very deep within this cavity and are considered to be retroperitoneal. The kidneys are an example of organs that are retroperitoneal.